If you're curious what happened to all those chairs, they're on the porch because it's raining. Oh, hello everybody. We are back at the abandoned house and ready to continue cleaning this place out as best I can with the muscles that I have available. Today we are going to clean out, oh, I actually have a list. Let's look at it, shall we? So we have the sun porch, number 2. We have the bathroom, number 2, attic. I need to seal off the attic window. I'm gonna use plastic instead of plywood, so got that now. And then install the strike plate, finally. And then question mark, because I don't really know what's gonna be after that. And then of course we have to do the travel confession portion of the video, which I forgot to do last time. So we're gonna make sure we do that, and I'm gonna draw the card right now. All right, I got a bunch of the cards here, right here, and I am going to not look. Let's see, where are we going today? The Northern Mariana Islands, I have never been there. Norfolk Islands, never been there. Maybe I need a different section, okay? We're gonna go to Trinidad and Tobago, never been there. Even if you've been to a lot of places, there's a lot of places you've never been. We'll look at this one, and it is Mexico, our neighbors to the south. Just to remind you, this is the sun porch that we are gonna be cleaning out today. It is super leany. This is not very safe at all, but it needs to be demoed somehow. A lot of the stuff is gonna be too heavy, like this little corner cabinet thing. I've actually never looked inside. Oh, a hot water heater. Oh, I didn't know that was in there. Well, that's gonna be coming down too. I don't see any wet, who knows? All right, well, let's get as much of this cleared out as we possibly can. I'm gonna start with the carpet. It looks disgusting. Oh yeah. Oh, it's heavy. These chairs are no joke. They're very heavy. It's raining pretty hard right now, so all of this furniture is gonna go out in this pile over here. So when it stops raining, I'll work on getting everything out by the curb, but for now I still have to get it out of the second floor without, you know, hurting myself. What can I carry that's not so heavy? Gross. All right, well, this is about as empty as I'm gonna be able to get it, but I don't know if you guys can tell how much it's slanting. I don't know, you probably can't tell, but it slopes really far that way. Kind of makes me nervous to be out there. Okay, so now we are gonna go in the dark to the upstairs bathroom. Here is the second bathroom. Obviously it's gonna get demoed eventually, but I don't know, is that? Yeah, that's poo, yay. Gonna be gross, so let's get it cleaned out. I have this table here because I tried to take it down the stairs, but it won't fit. So my mom's bringing me an Allen wrench so I can take it apart and get it downstairs. Okay. as good as it gets for now. Who puts carpet in the bathroom? Seriously. Oh, hi. Okay. So I've got a lot done so far. I've got the sun porch done, bathroom done. Now it's time for the attic, finally. And I still need to talk about Mexico. Let's go check out the attic. Oh, very drafty up here, but it feels good. Oh. So, okay. Yeah, rain is definitely getting in that window. I don't see any drips. It's dry. Yeah. This is gonna be gross. Hard to tackle. We will get it. We'll figure it out. Set you all up over here. I am going to clean this place out, but I'm only gonna take things to the second floor so it goes a little bit faster for you all. But just know I've got to take it down 2 flights of stairs. All right. Mama is here, reinforcements. So, yeah. It's a workout, kids. It's a workout. Here's what I got out of the attic so far. All this has to go down another flight of stairs. All the way over here and then down. Out the door to the trash can. I'm gonna tell a quick Mexico story. For those of you who don't know, back in 2013, I started a yoga travel company called Yoga Travel Tree. I led yoga retreats all over the world, and one time I worked with my friend Kate, and we did a yoga teacher training, a 200-hour yoga teacher training in Mexico. It was at the Marajade Resort. I think that's how you say it. It was beautiful. It was on the Pacific coast, about 2-ish hours south of Puerto Vallarta, I think. It was all vegan food. It had the most epic sunsets. We had about, what was it, like 10 or 12 people at our training that got certified. It was just a lovely experience. Now, of course, I've done the classic American in Mexico, go to the all-inclusive resorts. I've been to 2 weddings at the same resort in Cancun, and I've also been to a 25th wedding anniversary friend trip. My goal is to make it to Mexico City now, so if you've been to Mexico City and you have thoughts and recommendations, I would love to hear them in the chat. Where should I go if when I go back? All right, y'all, Mona, she saved the day. I got a plethora of Allen wrenches because this was my grandpa's. It says Raleigh on it, like etched out. His name was Roland, and yeah, he was a maintenance man at a local manufacturing facility of some kind. I think they made tanks, large, huge tanks. It was called Tech Tank. It's called Tech Tank. So yeah, they made tanks, and he was a maintenance guy. Got this handy tool of all sorts of Allen wrenches, and we're going to take apart this table so it'll actually go down the stairs. Oh no, I need an even smaller one than the smallest one. Yeah, so we're gonna have to go find a smaller one. Let's go. If you're curious what happened to all those chairs, they're on the porch because it's raining and I didn't want them to get soaking wet and be even heavier. There's the trash bin. Trash skip. That's what our British friends say, so that's what I'll say. Does this one fit? Oop. Yes, that works. Perfect. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Ugh. Wait. Left. Yeah. Oh. Well, I might not be able to get this. They're kind of rusty. Oh my gosh. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. Ah, got this one. Woohoo! I mean, we could always break it. Come on, no whammy. It's a lot of effort for 2 little screws, but otherwise I can't get it out. How does this work? Let that soak on there. There we go. Was it the WD-40 that did it, or was it the gloves? There we go. Well, that was easy. Okay, maybe it was the WD-40. All right, I think we deserve lunch.
I do too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you decide yet what we're having?
Let's go to the old sawmill.
Okay, is it open? On
Until
Sundays?
2 o'clock.
Okay, let's do it. All right, thanks, Mama.
Welcome.
Lighting and camera lady. This isn't full yet, so and add stuff to it. I think I can take probably both of these now. Last one is, you guys are sitting on it, so I'll sit you over here this time while I get the last chair. Whew, okay. This was not on the agenda, but we're gonna do it anyway. We've got all these mattresses that Mom and I have gotten out of the house, and this love seat that I got out of the house. I was very impressed with myself. And the rumor on the street is, and by rumor I mean the website, says that if I call the city tomorrow before 9 a.m., they will come pick up all this furniture for free. What? We will find out tomorrow together if that is legitimate. And we'll see. So we got to get all of these mattresses out by the curb so they can pick it up tomorrow. You ready to do it, Mama?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Gosh, that's a lot of
Okay, let's do it.
We done. Yeah. Yes, Mama, good job. Porch cleaned off. And now less likely it's gonna fall through. That's good. Do you want to pull?
I'll push.
Okay. Hold on, slow down.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down.
Okay. I'm carrying it.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
See, I told you it was easy.
Yeah, easy peasy. Technically, there's that other big one, but I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
It's too much.
That's
Yeah. There we go. Oh, much better. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, hitting the mic. Sorry. Is it gonna clear?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We got her down, Brooker.
Mm-hmm. We got all the mattresses off the second floor. Actually, I'll take this down. Stairs. There we go. Woo, good job, Mama. We did it.
We did it.
Yeah. I am almost done with the attic. My mom's gone home. She put in her hours, time to clock out. I'm obviously in the little in-between area between bedroom, 1 and 2 on the second floor. And then this is the steps to the attic. I think I'm gonna keep you guys here, except I wanna show you something real quick. There is another kind of wallpaper too. So this is a wallpaper. And then this is a wallpaper that you can kind of barely tell. But yeah, more wallpaper. Whoa. Don't worry, that mirror was already broken. Now, we're gonna take all this stuff out to the dumpster. So for you guys, it's gonna be like, we are in the attic. I have nowhere to put you, so you are propped up in a very weird angle. So I have this plastic that my mom gave me that I'm going to attempt to attach with masking tape. Well, I guess it's not masking tape, it's electrical tape. Oops. Well, that didn't work. This is a comedy of errors. Oh my God. Okay, don't stick. Sort of have a beginning. And we got a splinter, 2 of them, maybe more. Oh my God. I don't know. We'll see how this holds up next time. Then I'll show you with my very jerry-rigged window covering worked out. You can't even see it. Strike plate. I think I'm definitely using a drill for this. So it doesn't look like much, but here is what the attic is looking like now. I know it still looks crazy, but I promise I carried a ton of stuff down. A lot of this wood I just left because I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with that. All right, let's get out of here. A power tool. You gonna be able to see me doing this? I think so. Okay. All right. Let's check off our list. Where's my marker? We did the attic. It's cleaned out. The attic window is sort of done. Strike plate, finally done. Travel card, we went to Mexico together. Done. And then a question mark was probably all those mattresses. I mean, there were literally nine mattresses. And there's still one more, a huge heavy one. So that's gonna take some muscle. We did a good job today, y'all. Shh, don't curse. I'll get demonetized.
Is it on?